To fix the problem where Bluetooth devices won't connect with your POCO X8 Pro, first of all, let's open a settings on our device, and then we can try to enter Bluetooth right here. And after that, also make sure that you have internet connection, and when you have, you should see option for Bluetooth version. If you don't see it, that means your Bluetooth is up to date, and you can continue to the next step where I show you how to fix that in other way. So if you see update, then make sure that it's updated, because otherwise your devices may not connect with your phone if it's not up to date. And now next thing that we can do, if this didn't help, go into the more connectivity options right here, scroll down to the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, and then select the Bluetooth and reset the, sorry, you cannot select it, just click on reset the settings and then unlock your device and confirm it. But keep in mind that this will reset all of those three options, which means you will lose all of the saved networks for Wi-Fi, all of the settings for mobile data, and all of the devices that are connected through the Bluetooth as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.